Welcome to a video from withdrew.com. In this video I'm going to have a look at the PC checker tool, which checks to see whether your PC can run Windows 11. I've got a virtual machine here that I'm going to use to test this on, because this machine here you can see is running Windows 11 with no issues. So you can download this from Microsoft, from this Windows Insider site. You need to be Windows Insider, which you can join via insider.microsoft.com, and then you can get these various versions. So you've got the 64-bit version, the ARM version, or the S mode, that if your machine's locked into S mode. So once you've installed it, you can just run the application. So this is now running on the Surface Laptop 2, which runs Windows 11 fine, so this is going to be quite happy with that. So you get the information about the laptop, and then you can do check, and yeah, that works great. So that shows me the results as we'd expect, and we can dive into those results. But what I'm going to do is go to this Windows 10 machine, and we'll have a look at that. So here's the application, and this virtual machine is not going to pass because I've kept the specs pretty low. So let's have a look. So here you see it says it doesn't meet the requirements. The old version just had this section here saying it did meet the requirements, but now this tells you a bit more. So we can see all the results, and you can see that TPM2 is not enabled. I'm using this Hyper-V image which doesn't have TPM enabled. I could enable it and then it would pass that. I've got a single core processor, and these other things are ticked. So like the secure boot is okay, the processor is okay, memory, it's a virtual machine, so I could up the memory, and the other bits are okay. So I can see here now that I can, if I enabled TPM2 for this virtual machine, and I've got another Hyper-V image that works perfectly fine in Windows 11 because I've enabled that stuff as well, and I've got a separate video on how to do that. So that's a way of looking to see if your machine will run Windows 11 with the new PC Health Checker tool. Well, thanks for watching this video. You can find out more on withdrew.com.